friends. Hi, this is Sweetie. Welcome to my channel Motherhood and Fitness. Today's topic is how we can take care of umbilical cord. So before we start the topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and like my videos if you like it. So first of all, first point is what can be done so that you can take care of the umbilical cord is number 1, you need to keep the area and surrounding dry so that there is no moisture or less worry about infection. Second point is whenever you touch the umbilical cord or the area, you need to wash your hand properly so that there is chances of infection very less. Third point is whenever you are going ahead and making your baby wear diapers, make sure you fold the diaper and make them wear so that the umbilical cord is not in contact with the diaper, or in that case it becomes risky and babies can get hurt. The umbilical cord which is in contact with the diaper may get injury. So make sure the diaper is folded. Fourth point is whenever you see if there is any water or pus or some watery item is coming out of the umbilical cord, you need to clean that. How are you going to clean that? First of all, you need to take a cotton ball. Take the cotton ball, tap the cotton ball very slightly around the umbilical cord and clean it. Make sure you are doing it very soft hand so that the baby is not getting hurt. Second, you need to take a cotton ball, a new cotton ball, dip it into a normal water and then clean the area again. Throw that cotton ball and take a different cotton ball third time. Now what you need to do is you need to tap dry that area of umbilical cord so that the area is completely dry and there is no moisture left behind. Fifth point is you need to see if whenever you are taking your child for bath or you're giving bath to your child, when his or she is up to the bath, make sure that whenever you are dressing up your child, clean the umbilical cord part area very clearly and dry. There must not be any moisture which leads to any infection or any type of injury. So this is very important that you keep that area of umbilical cord very clean and dry. Now the last point which you need to make sure you're doing it, never clean the umbilical cord part area with alcohol. Whenever you feel that you need to clean that area or there is any dirt, make sure you clean it with a normal water which you use it for your baby to drink. Or that time we do not go ahead and give water for drinking because that time baby is in for breastfeeding. So you need to take the normal water or the filtered water and clean the area. This is the phase where 10 to 15 days in this phase the umbilical cord shades. In some cases it might take some more time, or if there is any infection or there is any pus or water coming out, and if it is not shaded till 15 days, don't worry at all. It is completely fine because it happened to my kid as well. We need to be for sure that the area is completely clean and dry. It will be shading itself within 15 to 20 days. It won't take 20 days, but within 15 days it shades normally. In case it does, you do not have to worry about it. It will be shading itself. Make sure you do not give any oil massage in this period because this can lead to of infection in the umbilical cord area. So after the umbilical cord is shaded, go ahead, have oil massage and your baby is completely fit and fine. in this regards, if you have any queries or issues, please feel free to comment in the comment box and ask me. If I have my experience about that, or if you have any other suggestions, you can tell me and the world about it. Please go ahead and comment so that I can bring it up with my way, and tell the people around that you need to follow this or that, or whichever is better for your children, because every child is different. So make sure you go ahead and do this. If you have any query, feel free to comment. Thank you.